In the final section, you're going to do what is a mobile travel guide, called a mobile travel guide. So you're going to go ahead and look at the voice roaming rates and use the functions that you and create functions for each of the four companies and come up with what's there. So you're going to use whatever's here, same method. You're going to have a base cost and you're going to have a per minute. Then after that, you're going to need to do some research to find different countries. Choose a country of your choice. It doesn't have to be from the 10 on the list before. Any country that you might be willing to go to. Do some internet research to find out what a prepaid voice plan costs, what a prepaid phone with voice costs, where you'd have to buy the phone, um, and all of that. And be sure to list the source of where you found that information. Not all countries are going to be easy to find the information on, so if you're having trouble, you might need to switch to a different country. Try to think of ones that have a lot of travel to that you might want to learn a little bit more about or maybe go to someday. Then you're going to take the information you have from the two types of phones, whether it's roaming or whether it's um, the prepaid plans for the country. Put those onto a graph again. You can use Desmos again. And then answer the three follow-up questions like if the lines intersect, what does that point and what's it mean? Um, and if you plan to use the phone for 10 minutes of call time, which plan is the better? And I think this is only voice that we're working with on these, so you should be able to get by on that. And what you're going to do is you're going to write a recommendation for which type of phone plan to use based upon your information. Be good to use some actual examples from your equations or samples like that, and that should be good.